getting traffic from one social media platform such as Facebook and bringing it over to YouTube, doing it at a really affordable rate. You really have to think from that user's perspective and the platform perspective from how easy would it be to then subscribe to this other platform. Hey guys, what's up? In this video, we'll be talking about social media arbitrage. First thing first, let's announce last video's winner. Here's the winner. If you guys want to go ahead and win $1,000 worth of courses or consulting calls with me personally, drop a comment below, tag your Instagram, make sure that you follow me so I could send you a DM if you're chosen to win. And I'll be doing that at the beginning of every single video. Let's get right into the video. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and take you guys through the whole setup of how I arbitrage social media. What I'm going to be showing you today is how I bring Facebook traffic over to my YouTube traffic and how I use Facebook advertising to grow my YouTube channel. And I use the same thing. I use YouTube to grow my Instagram. I use YouTube to grow my Facebook. So I want to create this cycle, and I'll be showing you guys how I do it with paid media. So as you can see here, I'm in my ad platform and I'm going to be taking you through the whole process. So let's create a campaign 019.Facebook to YouTube campaign. And now I'll be optimizing for clicks. So there'll be traffic, ad set 001, ad 001, save to draft. Scroll down, I'll be optimizing for traffic, go to the ad set. Yep, I want to be optimizing for link clicks. Yep, I want to be charged per impression. And what I'll actually do is, if this does well, I'll split test it with an ad set that's optimized for link clicks and see which one does better. Budget, I'm going to start at $5. I want to add in the top 5 countries. So what I do is I like to have a list of all the different stuff like first world countries, third world countries, top 5 countries. So it just really saves me time every time I create a new campaign. So top 5 entered. Targeting, I'm going to start with simply drop shipping. Edit placements. First thing first, I want to do Facebook only. And I want to do newsfeed only, as well as I only want to do desktop only. Now the reason for this is because only people who are on their desktop, when they click the link, it'll go to my YouTube channel would they be already logged into their account, so they could simply click subscribe. Whereas on mobile, it's much harder. If you're on the Facebook app, it doesn't really open up the YouTube app. People have to log into their account to subscribe. So it's much more difficult. Whereas if I go ahead and just pay extra for a click, but it's on a desktop Facebook newsfeed, the conversion rate for subscribe is just much higher, since there isn't that extra step of the user having to log into their account to then subscribe on this crappy web interface within the Facebook or Instagram app. So now I'm going to name it drop shipping Facebook news feed desktop only, so I'm able to understand it straight away. And yeah, that's it. That's the ad set. Now let's move into the ad. So here's the ad. I already wrote up an ad copy. So what I did is I really wanted to utilize shock advertising, break pattern awareness, and break sort of trends of like what type of posts and ads they're usually used to seeing, and doing something different and opposing to that. You could learn about this more in depth in my last video. So I'm going to quickly double check my ad copy and read through it one more time. Here's my shocking headline. Subheading. Watch more. The website URL. I'm gonna go ahead and get this one. Copy, paste. Now image, I'm going to select an image that's sort of controversial. So the first image I chose is this, very simple, very natural. And as you can see, this is pretty shocking. No opt-in, no webinar, just value. And then I start with, are you sick of useless webinars? So this is pretty powerful pattern break because everyone that is targeted within the dropshipping niche is just targeted with webinars. So this is going to really stand out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to split test and create 3 more images. If this does well, I'm going to create another ad copy and ad angle with another 4 images. So let me get back to you as I duplicate this. And yeah, okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and duplicate the ad 3 times and add in 3 more images. I want to split test images. Okay, so number 2 is I'm going to have an image showing all my YouTube videos. Okay, this ad might not run. Harassment, race, gender. Request manual review. So this one's a bit crowded with a lot of text, but I'm going to request a manual review to get it approved because yeah, but this is pretty powerful pattern break. Look at it. They're just like, no one usually uses an image like this. So my next one, so here's my next image, a really cool image of me standing in front of a whale and a boat. This is also really strange and different. And the last image I'm going to use is me standing in front of like an old school DeLorean, which is the opposite of what people expect. People expect photos with like Lamborghini, supercars, and this is just an old school car. So I'm really pushing the pattern break. And now what I'm going to do next is rather than just having one ad set at $5, I want to go ahead and duplicate this 4 more times and have 5 different ad sets for 5 different similar interests at $1 each. And that will just give it more spread. And the reason I'm doing low budgets is because this is a link click ad and lower budgets work much better, especially for testing for link click ads. Alright, now I'm going to look for similar interests, suggestions. So one is e-commerce. Next I'll do digital marketing. Next I'll do Shopify. Lastly, I'm gonna go broad with like entrepreneurship. I'm gonna select them all, edit. I'm gonna firstly change the budget to $1 each. 2, I'm gonna edit the name. And I'm going to put in angle 1 because eventually I want to create different variations. I want to create angle 2, 3, 4 with different ad copies, different headline, and just keep on split testing and find the best ad and optimize for that. And now I'm going to go ahead and publish it all. And yeah, that's about it. That's how you go ahead and arbitrage social media marketing, getting traffic from one social media platform such as Facebook and bringing it over to YouTube, doing it at a really affordable rate, having different variations, low budgets, as well as optimizing for link clicks and doing it on a platform where it will actually convert. So I tested this same strategy on Instagram swipe up ads, Instagram newsfeed ads, Facebook ads, but they don't convert. And the reason why is because on those platforms, people can't really subscribe on YouTube that easy. They have to then log into their Google account and then subscribe. but it's completely different when it's on a desktop, because people are able to go ahead and open the new tab. They'll be automatically already logged into their YouTube account, and all they have to click is subscribe, and it's that much easier. So even if I pay 10 times more for the cost per click, the conversion rate is going to be 20 times higher. And that's why placement is really important when it comes to social media arbitrage. You really have to think from that user's perspective and the platform perspective, from how easy would it be to then subscribe to this other platform. For example, if I ran YouTube pre-roll ads to my Instagram, it's going to be really hard because they're going to have to log in. They won't be able to just follow straight away. And the exact same thing is for swipe up ads. When you swipe up, it's a bit weird, you can't really follow, it's a bit messy, it doesn't really link them directly to your IG feed. So there's a lot of testing you have to do, and you really have to keep in mind platform wise, because people are really lazy. If there's a step involved for them to follow or subscribe, they're just gonna go back to what they're doing, and they're not gonna go ahead and go through that process. As well as using shock advertising to really break through that advertising blindness that a lot of people have, especially in the personal growth and like e-commerce and entrepreneurial niche. There's just so many webinars, opt-ins, and I want to use shock advertising to break through that and really provide people value and bring them over to my channel. So I hope you guys found value in this video, me taking you through the whole process. This is a bit higher level stuff when it comes to growing your personal brand. I do want to mix up my channel with a bit of higher level things that I am doing, as well as continue giving you that dropshipping and marketing knowledge that you guys look for. So I hope you guys found value in this video. If you did, be sure to drop a like below, drop a comment below. I'll be picking the best comment every single video to give $1,000 worth of courses or consulting to completely for free. So drop a comment below. The winners will be picked on tomorrow's video, so be sure to watch that. Turn on your notification bell so you get these golden nuggets ahead of everyone else. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers by the end of 2019, and in order to do that, I'm just going to give you guys value every single day. Peace.